This video is to show you how to convert your offset chain drive pedal to a direct drive pedal using the OffSet direct drive conversion kit. Included in the conversion kit are the direct drive itself, a footboard screw, and the top mount drum key screw with a washer. One important thing to note is that this screw is longer than the screw that will be coming off of the chain drive, so you need to make sure to use this longer screw when mounting the direct drive unit. To install the direct drive on a chain drive unit, start by taking out the foot plate screw with a standard Phillips screwdriver. This is the toe piece that you'll need to make that screw stay in place. Remove the drum key screw at the top of the chain. Set that aside. Now make sure that you do use the longer drum key screw that came with the conversion kit. That will prevent the shorter screw from stripping out when installing the direct drive conversion. Put that toe piece back on there. Line this bottom piece up. Put that Phillips screw in there. Tighten it up. And you're in business.